good morning. It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up a little while ago, so sorry if my voice is still a little scratchy, but today is Thursday. It's October 28th. I was planning on vlogging like a full work week in my life vlog this week, but then my schedule got all messed up because I was supposed to fly back from Nebraska on Sunday and get back Sunday night and have like a full normal week. But then there was all this bad weather in the Midwest and then the storm moved to the East Coast. So instead of getting home Sunday night, I got home at like 5 in the morning on Tuesday. I had one canceled flight and then many delayed flights, and it was just a nightmare. So my whole week got messed up and pushed back, but I'm pretty much back on track now, back in my normal routine. So I think I'm gonna vlog a work week vlog next week, but for today I thought we could do a little like work day in my life. If you guys are new here, hello. I am an influencer marketing intern at an agency. It's a fully remote position, so I work from home, and we're also on a 4-day work week schedule. So today's Thursday, but it's like my Friday because I don't have work tomorrow. Because it's a Thursday, it's gonna be probably a really busy day because it always is at the end of the week, because I'm just like wrapping up everything that needs to get done right before the weekend. But I thought it would be a good day to vlog just so you guys can kind of see what a typical work day in my life looks like and get more insight into like what I actually do at my job. And then after work tonight, I have my friend Steph's birthday dinner, so that'll be really fun. It should be a very eventful day. So it's currently 7:45. I woke up at 7:30. I start work at 9. I made myself a cup of coffee to get my day started. So I'm about to like get myself ready for the work day, and I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare, which now is the perfect time to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, which is Belif. I love working with Belif. I've talked to you guys about their Aqua Bomb before, which I have right here, their True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is like their cult classic. This is one of my go-to products for the summer months because the consistency of this is like super cooling, and it's like a gel-like consistency, so super lightweight but still really hydrating. It feels so nice on your skin. It's literally like a drink of water for dry skin. So this is my go-to for the summer months for myself, or if you have more like combination oily skin, I think you would love this product. But the past couple of weeks, since we are transitioning into winter and the air is getting a lot colder and drier, my skin has been feeling a lot drier already. So I've switched over to the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is basically just a little bit heavier, even more hydrating version of the Aqua Bomb. I'm putting this on my skin right now. It feels so good and hydrating, and it actually provides your skin with up to 26 hours of long-lasting moisturizer. It literally makes my skin so glowy, and even though it's a little bit heavier, it still has that like lightweight cooling gel texture, kind of like the Aqua Bomb that I love. If you check out Sephora.com right now, you can actually purchase the Belif Explosive Hydration Holiday Set. This is the perfect thing to buy for yourself because it's such a good value, or like how good of a gift would this be with the holidays coming up. So the set includes a full-size version of the moisturizing balm. So this is the moisturizer that I've been using lately. It's perfect for winter. You also get 3 other mini products. So there's an Aqua Bomb makeup removing cleansing balm. There's also an Aqua Bomb sleeping mask, and there's a little moisturizing eye balm as well. And just so you guys can see how good of a deal this is, a regular moisturizing balm, if you buy it separately, is $38. But if you buy this set, you get a full-size moisturizing balm plus 3 additional mini products to try out, and the whole set costs $38 as well. So you're basically getting a full-size moisturizer with like 3 free products. It's a $55 value, and you're getting it for $38. It's such a good deal. Plus, just to give you guys a heads up, it is almost that time of year for the Sephora Vip Sale. So during that sale, you guys can get up to 20% off this Belif set or any products at Sephora. I have all the dates on my phone here. So if you're a beauty insider, you can get 10% off at Sephora from November 11th through November 15th. If you are a VIB, you get 15% off from November 9th through the 15th. And if you're a VIB Rouge like myself, you get 20% off at Sephora from November 5th through November 15th. So that is literally right around the corner. The Sephora Vip Sale is the perfect time to get all of your holiday shopping done and to check out this Belief set, because you literally get to try a full-size moisturizer, plus you get 3 other mini products to try out without any commitment. So definitely check this holiday set out. Don't miss out on the VIB sale. And thank you so much again to Belief for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to get started with work for the day. So logging on at 9. The first thing I do every morning is check my email and check my calendar to see like what calls I have today. So I have a call at 11 this morning, and then I have another call at noon. Those are all the calls that I have today. So the rest of the time I'm just gonna be working on my own time. Also, one of the first things I do every single morning when I get started with work is make a to-do list for the day. I have like an ongoing Google Doc where I just write like what day of the week it is, and then I make like a little checklist of stuff that I have to get done. That is like my saving grace. I've always been like a to-do list kind of person, like in school and stuff, so that helps me a lot in work, just so I can like visualize what I have to get done for the day. I can like see my progress as I'm checking things off, and I can also like pace my day well so that I know I'm gonna get everything done that needs to be done and like prioritize the most important things. So I'm gonna make my to-do list for the day, read through any emails that I've gotten since I logged off yesterday, and just kind of catch up and get ready for the work day. Okay, I just finished making my to-do list for the day, so I want to kind of give you guys an overview of what my work day looks like. The biggest things I have to work on today are sourcing. I have 2 different like sourcing projects for 2 different accounts that I have to do. One is due end of day today, and then one is due end of day on Monday. So obviously the one due today is like higher priority, but I also want to get started on the one that's due Monday because I know it's going to take a long time, so I don't want to leave it all for next week. But sourcing is basically where I find potential influencers to present to our brand that we're working with, and then if they like them and approve them, those are the people that we reach out to collaborate with. So there's a few different ways to source influencers. For one of the campaigns, I'm looking for people on like Instagram and YouTube. So we use Tagger, which is like an influencer search engine type thing. So I mostly use that to find people, or you can just find people like organically through social media. Those are like the 2 biggest things I'm gonna be working on today. And then I also am just like emailing throughout the day because I have ongoing communications going with influencers for one of our accounts. So I have to like respond to their emails and send out whatever info they need to like work on filming their content. And then also, since it's the end of the week, I've been doing these like end of week recaps that I send to 2 of my team members for one of our accounts, so they can see like what the status is for all of our influencers for that account. So I have to like compile my little end of week update to send to them by the end of the day. That usually takes some time. And then I have my first call at 11 today. For all of my calls, I have stopped wearing makeup for work. It's just like not worth it. Whenever I have a call, I put on my blue light glasses, which I should have put these on anyway because I'm staring at my screen. But that way when I'm on a call, my face is like half covered, so it's a little harder to see my like dark tired under eye circles. Work from home life hack. But I'm wearing this top that I got from Zara, and then I literally just have Lulu leggings on because you can't see my bottom half on calls anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on this sourcing that's due end of day today, hopefully get that done pretty fast, and then I'll have my call at 11. Grabbing a Celsius to get me through the rest of the day. My fridge is really sad right now. I haven't gone grocery shopping this week. Hi, kitty. I always get like a midday crash around like 2 to 4 o'clock where I feel like I need a nap, but obviously now that I'm a working gal, I don't have time to take a nap in the middle of the day. So I feel like Celsius gives me more energy than like coffee does, and it tastes really good. So I just order packs on Amazon and have these on hand when I need an energy boost to get me through the day. Hi guys, it is much later in the evening. I have logged off of work for the day, so I'm done. Today was a super busy day. It always kind of is at the end of the week because we're like wrapping everything up that needs to be done before the weekend, but got it all done and now I'm good until Monday. I logged off around 6 o'clock today, in case you're wondering what my hours have been looking like. Since we started the 4-day work week, I've been working like on average 9 to 6, I would say. Some days a little bit shorter, some days a little bit longer. As an intern, I'm like technically not really supposed to work any longer than that. Most of my coworkers that are like full-time salaried employees are working like 10-hour days Monday to Thursday and then having Friday off. I just realized that I'm halfway through my internship already, which is crazy. If you didn't know, my internship goes to the end of the year. TBD on if I will get an offer for a full-time like permanent position to continue with the same company into the new year, but as of right now, I'm just interning with them through the end of December, like right before Christmas. Now, I just got out of the shower. I took like a little quick body shower and I'm about to do my makeup and hair and get ready for the evening because I have some fun plans. Tomorrow is my friend Stephanie's birthday. Her birthday always falls on Halloween weekend, which is already this weekend. I can't believe it. So tonight we are going to the Exchange Place rooftop in Jersey City for like dinner and drinks. So it should be fun. Okay, I'm about to head out, but wanted to show you guys my outfit for the night. I'm just wearing this little cropped blazer moment from Princess Polly. I have like a plain black bralette underneath. Ignore all the stuff that I have laying around my apartment right now. Jeans are a Goldie. I feel like this outfit would look best with like open toe little strappy heels, but I haven't gotten a pedicure in many weeks and the nail polish is like so chipped and ugly now, so boots it is. These boots are from Princess Polly as well, so is this bag. And then for jewelry, I'm wearing these hoops from Madewell. This necklace is from Uncommon James. This bracelet is from Vanessa Mooney. That is the fit. Taking Steph a little goodie bag full of products for her birthday. I should probably write who this is from on here. Okay, that's better. Time to head out.
This is good.
Can it focus? There. Your eyes. Birthday girl. What'd you guys get to drink?
Honestly, I don't...
martini, a peach martini.
No, it's
Peach?
a banana bread martini.
Fancy. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, I was scared.
That pigeon came out right on time.
Mac and cheese. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hi guys, I just got home from dinner. It was super fun. I hadn't seen Steph in like the longest time, so it was really good to see her and catch up. Right now I'm gonna take my makeup off and get ready for bed. It's super late, it's like almost midnight and I'm really tired. So gonna head to bed, which means I'm gonna end off this vlog here. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like seeing this like work day in my life, getting some more insight into what a typical day working as an influencer marketing intern looks like. Next week, I'm definitely gonna vlog a full work week in my life, so be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for that, and any other videos that I have coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you guys very soon in another new video. Bye!